try to get this fuel line disconnected. I have this disconnect tool. You know, they got different ways to fit it up. You go like this, I go like that. Oh yeah, that's pretty dope. And let's see, I believe this right here. Oh no, it's gonna be, yeah, that should be our size right here. All right, so you put that on, you can get that to slide up in there. Now you're supposed to depressurize the line, but I did not do that. So we could potentially get some spray here. Oh, there we go. All right. Let's see, and that would just push back in. But yep, she came right out. Matter of fact, I don't even think this was necessary. It might would have just popped off. But yeah, fuel line is loose now, so we're good to go there. And that should be it. We should be ready to go ahead and lift this thing up on out of here. So I'm gonna go get the crane. As you can see, let me pull back the view here. You can see the top of the intake there is up against the firewall. That's because everything on the bottom of the back of the transmission is loose. There's nothing supporting the back of the transmission. It is hanging, so the engine is tilted upward a little there because that weight of the back of the transmission is pulling on it. But yeah, we should be about ready to go now. Fuel line is loose, main harness, wiring harness is loose, so yeah, we should be ready to go. All right, we about to get to it. All right, now there actually is still one more thing here. We gotta go ahead and take the hood off. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that going. I'm gonna pull this hood. Before we start hoisting up the engine, I am gonna take this hood off so I can have the space. Now preferably, taking off the hood is something that you would want to have a buddy, a partner, a friend help you do. But I am a one-man show today, so we're gonna go ahead and see how we can manage getting this thing off by myself. Also had to disconnect the AC compressor because those are connected to these lines here, you know. And of course, we won't have to break those loose and disconnect that line. Those lines are flush the system, so you just disconnect the AC compressor. And then also on this side, in a similar area, but on the other side of the engine, you got your power steering pump. You got an AC compressor, had 3 bolts holding it onto the engine block, and I believe there are 3 more here for the power steering pump. This being one of them. You got something right here. There should be one more down below. So those were easily accessible on the side of the AC compressor just by jacking the car up. This one right here with everything we already got loose, should be able to get these 2 no problem, and then probably jack the car up for the easiest access to the other one. So I'm about to go ahead and get that one loose, and then I should have truly everything disconnected. Correction on the power steering pump, there are only 2 bolts holding it in place. Second bolt is loose and it is starting to fall free. So let's get that one out and she'll be off.
Perfect.
Well, folks, here we go. She's up out of there. Oh, still got something that ain't been disconnected. This wire right here. What's that? Let's go ahead and buzz that loose. Oh, no. That's all part of the main harness. All this coming out. But yeah, she up out of there. First engine pull by myself. Yep. The empty engine bay. Drive shaft back there. Yep. She out of there. Engine, transmission, and all. Done. Yep.